Hello everyone, welcome back to Bbkelez Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking to watch today's video. Thanks to all of you that keep coming back to watch my video, to all my OGs. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you all for all your love and your support. So guys, in today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this cow stew, okay? Yeah, if you want to see how I achieve it, please stay tuned. Let's dive right into the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Okay guys, for the stew we need fresh tomatoes already cooked, onions, vegetable oil, fish, tin tomato. I'll be using this oil that I got from the previous stew that I cooked, okay? Curry powder and some seasoning cube. So guys, let's get started. Oh, I forgot. Some salt to taste. And our cow meat is over here cooking, okay? So guys, let's get started. So guys, the same oil I used in frying the fish, I'm gonna use the same oil to fry the tomatoes. Yeah, I'm not gonna remove the oil. I'm gonna use the same oil to fry the tomato, but I'll add more oil to it. Why? Because frying tomatoes for stew requires more oil, so we need more oil to fry these tomatoes. So guys, you know that frying tomatoes requires a lot of stirring, okay? So at this point, our oil has separated from the tomato. So the next thing I'm gonna do now, I'll go ahead and add tin tomato or your tomato puree, okay? And once that is done, you mix until they are evenly mixed, okay? So at this point I'm going to add the meat. So guys, I did not fry or roast the meat. If you want to fry or roast yours, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, stir until they are well incorporated. Add the fish, stir and cover, allow it to cook or to fry for 15 minutes because we are still in frying process. You can also allow it to fry up to 20 minutes. Okay, yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys, the aroma in my kitchen is on another level, you guys. Oh my god, this stew is delicious. What a sumptuous stew, you guys. How I wish you are in my kitchen to witness it yourself. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna do now is to add the meat stock. Add some seasoning cubes. Kitchen Glory. I'm gonna be using the whole of the pack. One sachet is enough for me. Add salt. Add curry powder. If you have curry leaf, you can as well add it. Then give it a stir. Mix until they are evenly mixed. Okay, then cover and allow it to cook for 10 minutes and the stew is ready. So guys, this stew can be served with white rice, agidi, white agidi, yam, name it. You can use it to serve many other things. You can equally eat it like this with swallow. Yeah, some people do that. So thank you so much for watching.